English alphabets A to Z. A for apple, B for banana, C for cupcake, D for donut, E for eggs, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hot dog, I for ice cream, J for jelly, K for kiwi, L for lemon, M for mushrooms, N for nuts, O for orange juice, P for pear, Q for queen, R for radish, S for strawberry, T for tie, U for umbrella, V for vegetables, W for wheat, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zucchini.